Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Ghost CMS to a Gatsby site step by step clearly. To connect Ghost CMS to a Gatsby site, start by setting up your Ghost CMS. Visit the Ghost website and sign up for an account. Once your account is created, create a new publication. After the publication is set up, navigate to the Integrations section. Generate a new API key for your Gatsby site. Copy this API key, as you will need it later. Next, open your Gatsby project in your code editor. Install the necessary plugin by running the command npm install Gatsby source Ghost. In your project's Gatsby config.js file, add the Ghost API configuration. Insert the API key you copied from Ghost. Define the Ghost URL in the configuration as well. Next, run the command Gatsby develop to start your local server. Your Gatsby site will now pull data from the Ghost CMS. Check the GraphQL playground at http://localhost 8000/____graphical. Verify that you can see your Ghost data in the GraphQL interface. Now, you can start building your components with data from Ghost. Fetch the data by using GraphQL queries in your pages or components. Test your setup by running Gatsby build and previewing your site. Ensure that everything works smoothly and displays the content from Ghost correctly. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Ghost CMS to your Gatsby site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.